Morning viewers and subscribers, morning. Jay again with Hartman Adventures, you know. So it's Easter weekend, so I want to take the time out to say happy holidays to each and every one of you. I'm very appreciative of all the support that you guys have been giving me. It's been really tremendous over the past couple of weeks since I started doing this. The amount of love and support that I get from you guys, so thank you guys for supporting Hartman Adventures. So I wanted to say happy holidays to you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying your holiday, and if you get a chance, see if you can go outside, explore the environment, find something you can do with you and your family, your friends. Just go out and enjoy the environment. Remember, say can't leave we know, and for a long time we did lockdown and we couldn't go now. So now if you get a chance to go out and do something, enjoy yourself, go to a beach, go to a river, go do some hiking or something, just chill out and enjoy yourself. So the objective for today is to hunt permit. I want a permit today. I have a few blue crabs in my bait pan and I'm out on my bait spot now. I want to see if I can find some sea urchin, because permits like the sea urchin as well. So I'm going to try to look some sea urchin to go up on the water and look a permit today. I don't know exactly where I'm going to go yet, but I have a good idea. But let's wait and see. Oh, I also want to see if I can get some sprat. I don't know if I can find any sprat around here this morning. When I just got here, I saw some flickering in the water because the water is very calm this morning. So I'm going to turn around the camera so that you can see how the water looks. It's crystal clear and it's very calm. I saw some flickering, but it seemed like they were moving offshore when I just got here. Usually once the sun starts come up, then try to move offshore a bit. So I don't know if I can use my sabiki and get some sprats I can put in my freezer, because I want to go out later again. So welcome again to Hartman Adventures. Join in on the adventure, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. Trust me, the support over the past month or the past couple of weeks has been tremendous. You guys have been supporting me. You've left me very encouraging comments and I really appreciate it. So continue to show me some love, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ask your friends to subscribe as well. So make we grow this thing together. Guys, so just reached my location. Water is looking very nice this morning. It's not very choppy, it's not choppy, and it's not windy around here as yet. So yeah, this is where I plan to hunt for some permit or big pompano today. Permits and pompano feed on crustacean, so like shrimp, the sea urchin, crabs, any shellfish them feed on. So I'll try see if I can target them in a big water today. I still have some blue crabs from when I was doing the jetty fishing and I was searching for snapper. If you haven't seen that video as yet, I'll leave a link in the description, or you can click the link just above right here. So I'll link that. I caught some blue crabs around on the jetty when I was searching for snapper. So I have them with me, and those are what I'm going to be using today, along with some sea urchin. See if I can target some permit or pompano. I don't know if I'll get any run yet. Permits take a while to bite, so it's going to be a patient game today. However, just off to the side over there, I see some birds diving. So it seems like live bait out in a shallow out that side. So if nothing on go on today, I will try to see if I can use my sabiki and get some live bait. But the target species for today is permit pompano. Let's see if we're going to get anything. And remember guys, to like, share, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. So welcome again, Hartman Adventures, back at it again. So I have my 9-foot quantum blue runner rod. This is a 9-foot quantum blue runner, and I have it paired with a Shakespeare Alpha 70. I think this is a 70 Shakespeare Alpha 70. This is a really nice reel. Hook up some nice big fish on it, and yeah, hopefully we can land a big permit on it today. I have on a 30-pound leader on here. I have on a 50-pound braid. I'm going to be switching out this hook to a mustard hook, or I have some bigger circle hooks. Might try the circle hooks as well, because sometimes when you use the mustard hook, the J hook, you get tied up on the reef. The circle hook tend not to hook up on the reef as much. They still hook up sometimes, but not as much. So let's see what's going to happen. This is my 9-foot rod. This rod is very nice. I bought this rod from a guy in Kingston. I don't remember his name right now, but I'm going to link his Instagram page in the description below. I think his Instagram page is Premier Fishing. So big up yourself, Mr. Peter. Yeah, that's his name, Peter. So big up yourself, Peter, from Premier Fishing. I'm going to link his Instagram page in the description below. Also another big shout out to another Instagram channel from Kingston as well. I bought a lot of fishing gears from them, or not a lot, but I bought a good amount of fishing gears from them, and that's Rods, Reels, R Us JA, I think. But I will also leave the link to that Instagram page in the description. So if you guys want anything, hit those guys up. They have pretty much anything that you want locally, and you don't really have to wait for them to send anything from overseas if you buy it or whatever. But those guys are really fantastic, great customer service, and whenever you buy anything from them, pretty much send off the same day, as long as you buy it early enough. Them usually send by Knoxford, or if you prefer to use a different courier service. But guys, check out those guys on Instagram. They have some really cool gears. So big up on yourself. Rods, Reel, Us JA, and Premier Fishing. So big up on yourself. is a Pro Series reel. I have on a 50-pound braid on here, and I also have on 50-pound 30-pound leader line, using 30-pound leader line, and I have a circle hook and a 3-ounce sinker. This rod, guys, is the rod that I caught the massive snapper on last night. Not finished with that video as yet, so it's not going to be out as yet. I'll put up a picture of the snapper just about here right now. So this rod is really good, really nice debut last night. So let's see what we can bring in on this rod today. Guys, I love that 10-foot rod. It can cast so far. Should have seen where it fell. It went way over there. Both rods are out. That one right there. And the 10-foot rod all the way back there. And now we wait. On a permit bite, and I haven't gotten any bite as yet, but this is how permit fishing is. Alright guys, I've been here for a little bit and I still haven't gotten any permit or pompano. I'm about to leave shortly. I should have told you that I changed location just a little bit further around from where I was this morning, but I still haven't gotten any hookups around this side as yet, so I think I'm about to call it a day now and pack up. So let's see what's going to happen in the next few minutes or so. If nothing still, then just go and pack up and go home. Yes guys, that's it for today. Came out searching for permit or pompano. Didn't get either of the two, but it was still a fun day. It was just me alone today. Everybody else was working. Ellie was at home with mommy. So yeah, that's how it is sometimes guys. Permit take really long to bite sometimes. Sometimes you come out and for the entire day you don't get a bite from a permit, but next time hopefully you can hook up on a permit. So until the next video, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting Hartman Adventures. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share, and until next time, Hartman Adventures out.